Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
In Publisher, you can input and save your business or personal information, including name, position, address, email, logo, phone, and more, into a business information set for ease of use in publications. You can create different business information sets for different users or different purposes. After creating business information sets, select a set to use when creating a publication from a template to quickly and easily add that information to the publication in the designated areas. To enter a business information set for the first time, click the Insert tab in the ribbon, and then click the Business Information drop-down button that appears in the text button group. Then select the Edit Business Information command from the drop-down menu that appears to launch the Create New Business Information Set dialog box. In this dialog box, enter the desired information into the fields provided. If you wish to attach a photo or logo, click the Add Logo button to open the Insert Picture dialog box. You can then select the photo to use and click the Insert button to return to the Create New Business Information Set dialog box. At the bottom of the dialog box, enter a name for this particular set of information into the Business Information Set Name text box. Then click the Save button at the bottom of the Create New Business Information Set dialog box. Your information will then be saved, so you do not need to retype it again. At this point, the Business Information dialog box will appear. In this dialog box, select which business information set to use by selecting a name from the Select a Business Information Set drop-down. If you have a publication that contains an existing set of information, you can choose a new set of information to use from the drop-down. Then click the Update Publication button to update the publication with the new information from the selected business information set. You can also select a set of information from the drop-down in the Business Information dialog box, and then click the Edit button to open the Edit Business Information Set window where you can change the information, and then click the Save button to save the changes. To delete a business information set, select an information set from the drop-down, and then click the Delete button in the Business Information dialog box. Then click the Yes button in the confirmation window that appears to delete the selected information set. To create a new business information set, click the New button in the Business Information dialog box. In the Create New Business Information Set dialog box that appears, enter a new information set with a new name, and then click the Save button to finish. When you have finished creating business information sets within the Business Information window, click the Close button. From that point on, simply select the name of the business set to use when prompted within a publication, such as when creating a new publication from a template. You can also insert building blocks which use this information as objects within your custom publications. A building block is simply a grouped collection of pre-created shapes and text boxes that you can automatically insert into a publication page. To do this, click the Business Information button within the Text button group on the Insert tab in the ribbon, and then click on the individual building block you want to insert from the Contact Information section in the button's drop-down menu. If you want to insert more types of building blocks into your publication, click the Business Information button within the Text button group on the Insert tab in the ribbon, and then select the More Business Information command from the button's drop-down menu to open the Building Block Library dialog box. Here you can select a building block to insert from the items shown, customize them in the right side of the dialog box if possible, and then click the Insert button to insert the selected building block into your publication. You can also click the Business Information button within the Text button group on the Insert tab of the ribbon, and then click on the individual piece of information that you would like to insert as a text box or shape into your current publication page from the Fields section in the button's drop-down menu.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.